Hi, my name is Dave Holowiski, and I specialize in creating screencasts. I figured that instead of submitting a boring resume, I would actually do a screencast and show you my abilities. I have 100% legal copies of Final Cut Pro and ScreenFlow, which are what I use to create my screencasts. And I've also made an investment in some professional audio equipment so that the audio is extremely good on any of the screencasts that I do. So let's get right into this. What I'm going to do is show you how to create a presentation quickly in Keynote. So we're going to launch the Keynote application. And when you first launch Keynote, it'll come up and you can choose a theme for your presentation. So I'm going to choose this nice green theme. And if you roll your mouse over it, you can kind of get a preview of what your theme is going to look like. And I'm just going to double click on it. And that will bring up your theme. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that the inspector is turned on. So click on your view menu, and if you see show inspector, click on that. And that'll show you the inspector window here. So when you use any of the templates, there is predefined fields. And I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to type in a title for my presentation, and then a short tagline down here. So there we've created the first slide, and we're just going to go over to the inspector and change a couple settings. In the inspector, make sure you're on the first tab, and we're going to select a few things here. We're going to automatically play the slideshow when it opens, and we're also going to make it a self-playing slideshow. So if you look under presentation, click on the word normal and choose self-playing. Then when the slideshow is launched, it will automatically start playing, and it will automatically play through all of the sides. Now, if you're going to play this presentation on a projector, you just want to make sure to change the slide size. So it defaults to 1024 by 768. But if you have a different resolution projector, make sure to choose the appropriate resolution, as this will affect how it displays on your projector. So we're going to add a few more slides. To add a new slide, you click on the new icon in the top left corner. And that's going to add the default slide. But if you want to change the look of it, you can click on Masters, which is on the toolbar along the top. And we're going to add in a photo. So just click on Photo. And you'll see the slide has a photo. And then you can double click and change the title of that slide. And if you want to customize the picture, you can actually just drag in a picture from iPhoto or a picture from your computer. Just drag it in and drop it over top of this picture of a frog, and it will automatically drop that in. So we're going to add two more slides. So I'm going to click on New again, and then we're going to click on the Masters icon. And this time we're going to add a quick bullet list. So this is probably what most of your slides will look like. And to add a bulleted list, you just double click and just start typing. And when you press enter, it will add another bullet, and you can keep going until you've filled up the screen. So there we've added a bulleted slide, and we're going to add one more slide. So I'm going to click on New, and then I'm going to go over to Masters, and we're going to add a final slide. So I'm going to choose this Title Center, and then I'm going to double click to edit it. And there you go. So we have created our slideshow. We have 4 slides. And once you've created your slideshow, make sure to save it. So I'm going to click on the File menu, and then I'm going to click on Save. Save As would also give us the same thing. And I'm going to save it into my documents, and I just have to give it a file name here. And then click on the Save button. So now we've saved our document. Now that the document is saved, we will have a look at it. So we're going to close out of Keynote. And under Documents, we'll find the name of the file that we just created. And I'm going to double click on that. And you'll see, because of the options we selected, it automatically starts playing. So that is the presentation. We have just created a Keynote presentation and set it to automatically start playing when it's launched. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you for considering my application. And I'd be happy to create screencasts for Demand Studios. I can create these very quickly, and I have all the equipment needed. So thank you very much for watching my video.